Okay, so this is Gerda. She's 3.5 months after a right shoulder rotator cuff repair. And Gerda, can you show me how high you can get your arms on both sides? Just raise both arms up. Okay, and then put them at your elbows at the side again and rotate out. And then behind your back as much as you can, just to show what your motion is. Good. And then back to the front again. And Gerda, how old are you?
I just turned 72.
Good. And you keep moving up and up with physical therapy, which you have about a month and a half left, right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you happy that you had the surgery done?
Very happy.
Good.
And I'm starting to repot my plants. That is
Good.
my hobby, and my goal is to go outside as soon as it's warm enough and work in my garden.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Gerda.